Gonna be installing the pod lights on my bumper. This is one set and one of the brackets. This is the orientation of the bracket. Probably I looked some videos before, but I truly, they're not super elaborated, at least the ones that I looked. And I kind of had to figure it out. On some point I thought the bracket goes this way, and obviously the lights they will be turned the opposite way, and the base was facing to the bottom, but actually the brackets they go in facing this way, so the lights start hanging from the top. The next issue that I had, the bracket behind the bumper, where is that bracket? Right here, right? Is this one is inside the frame, this holding the support right here. You can see it. The light had to be bolted from behind the bracket. I tried to put it on the front of the bracket to get the lights a little forward, but actually they do touch. One more issue. To turn the lights, because this bracket is diagonally, right? I'm gonna show you from the top what I'm meaning. The bumper is oriented on an angle, but the lights are facing forward. This bracket is that angle, and for the lights to be facing forward, like you show them right now, so they'll be pointing ahead of you, I had to cut the pods, as you guys can see, with the grinder. That little end of the frame, this end, the round part of this frame, I had to take the grinder and just grind it off, because this bracket is gonna sit about that much of an angle, and as you guys can see, the lights are facing forward. To be able to twist the lights to face forward on all four lights, I had to cut the back of the bracket. As I was trying the switch, I made my own fuse. I took a small piece of wire like this, cut it to about 2 inches, and peeled each end, bend it on a U shape, and stuck it up in here. It's thin enough that actually you could almost leave it. If you leave a thin wire, it will act as a fuse. I'm gonna install them and show you the finished product. Okay guys, finished product. They came out super nice. I'm not sure how forward lights are facing. I have absolutely more adjustment, like I showed you guys before on the housing. I did cut the back with the grinder to try to turn the lights forward as possible, but I truly think they're still pointing a little more to the side of the road. No big deal. I mean, that's as far as I can do, or I will have to take him out and cut so much more of that housing on the pods, and I think it'll be too much. So I powered these somewhat to show you guys how it goes. So that's red light and the green light. I run my power, I make my fuse, I tuck everything through the back, I run the ground to the ground, and that's it.